So this is the weekly summary here on our ES Demo 50k trading challenge. So this past week we again focused on our main strategy, which is the CF315. We had a series of winners and losers. We had a big win on Friday, and that's partly due down to what we're seeing in the market. We had a Silicon Valley Bank failure. I think it's SVB, had a few other bank failures, so that had a bit of a fundamental catalyst, caused trades to follow through. So we did have a fairly decent trade to the downside on Friday. But what we'll do is we'll have a look at what happened here at the start of the week. So the week started, of course, on the 6th here. No trades there. Well, no trades that I took. Took 2 trades on the 7th. The first trade was a loser, lost 12.75 points. Second trade was a winner, picking up 10 points there. So we're still down in the week. Wednesday, due to overcommitments, didn't take any trades. Plus, it would have been a horrible day's trade. If you look at the price action here, wicks to the upside and downside. Not very good, not much in terms of follow through. We did come down to the previous day's lows, which were Tuesday. We've had buying come back in, trade through, buying come back in here on the 30 minutes. Buying come back in before we finally closed below it at 6. Pullback, retested, rejected, but we couldn't follow through to the downside. So it would have been a difficult day, but I wasn't there to trade. On Thursday, we've had prices break through to the upside, pretty much close above the previous day's highs. I went long, I believe, and we're stopped at for minus 8.5 points. So it wasn't looking good at this point, and finally on Friday we somewhat rescued our week, and that was on this short trade. So I did mention the fundamental overhead of Silicon Valley Bank failure, 16th largest bank in the United States, and I think they halted trading and so on, so that kind of bit of a spooked the market. We had the market come up to the midpoint from yesterday, traded through, couldn't quite hold through, saw the selling, came back in with a short. It wasn't a great area to short, considering that these red crosses were the previous week's close, and just below that we had the close from the previous day. So there was some potential support there, but we did take the trade. Price pulled back to the 60-minute opening range low, rejected. Did take the trade, and our target was hit around at it's quite high up actually, 914. So our target was actually hit slightly above the previous day's lows. As we can see, we traded through previous lows by quite a bit. So for the week, we picked up 13.5 points here on ES. So we'll just have a look at the account. So on the account history here, we can see there's our big trade where I picked up 1237.50. There's our losers, our winners of 10 points, and a loser of 12.75 points, and so on. So I'm just going to go through the account just to show that it hasn't been reset. Just how far back it will allow us to go. I don't think I will be able to go all the way back to January when we started this challenge, because it was quite some time ago, but because we're using a 15-minute, we haven't been taking as many trades as when we started the challenge here. So we'll see if we can go all the way back to the beginning. I think it was the 4th or 5th of January we began this trading challenge here on EOS. and yeah, we're just having our issues with loading all the data. As we can see, we're up to the 30th of Jan. Back to the 24th, so not very far away. We might actually get to where the challenge started, which is fairly good. I suppose you can see here we've had some ups and downs in the market. Once we're 10% of the way to our target, so that's going to be, we have to double the account from where we are at present. We'll be looking to possibly add another contract, but I haven't decided yet. I may just wait until. Okay, I've in fact got a short setup, so I'm about to go and take that. Yeah, so with that said, thanks for watching. Oh, we can go back all the way to the 4th. And let's see. Yeah, there we are at the beginning of the account. And yep, with that said, thanks for watching.